Okay, so I took it apart again. The issue came back. Now, let me zoom in so you guys can hear the buzzing. Right now it's connected to power. And here is the fix. You can notice the motor just vibrated and the buzzing is gone. Don't know why it's happening, but it's just that simple.